Howdy THP, this is Tev coming at you. I got home from work and I got a Secret Santa box. So I'm going to open this bad boy up and see what Secret Santa has got me. Alright, here we go. Alright, the card first. Always got to read the card. Fa la 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 la, and all that stuff. All right, let's take a look here. Let's see here. Been a good year, THP Universe. I'm not going to read this all to you, but let me just take a quick scan of it. Oh, that's kind words. Interesting last line. So, thank you, Secret Santa. I hope so too. I hope we meet at some point, an experience or at something, so I can thank you properly, whoever you may be. I'll read the rest of that later. So, let's dig in. All right, let's start with. Well, let's start with these things. What we got here? We got some Reese's Pieces. We got a little Hershey's Ets. Yum yum yum. And we got some Reese's Miniatures, a little festive 3-pack. Those cute little things. I know what I'm eating. Let's go next to Nutty Buddies. Can you really go wrong with Nutty Buddies? North Pole, Little Debbie. A little festive, very festive. All right, let's see what else we got here. Let's go with this one first. A couple of boxes in here. So this is a black clover box. Oh, look at this. A nice shirt. Oh, look at this. Ooh. The long sleeve. Oh, nice little long sleeve black clover shirt. Love the color. Thank you, Secret Santa. That's awesome. That'll go in rotation. Absolutely for sure. All right, let's see what we got else here. Oh, shirt's come out. All right, let's go. Let's do. I got a white branded Bills. All right, let's see what we got. Ooh, look at this. Oh, we got a couple hats. All right, let's see here. We got that's really cool. I have never seen a New York State branded hat before. Branded Bills. Take a look. It's got the New York State outline with the emblem in there. That's really cool. Nice fitted hat. Nice. And a second cool fitted hat with the Branded Bills logo. That's gonna go in rotation for sure. Love the color. That looks awesome. Thank you, Secret Santa. All right, let's see what else we got in here. Oh, what the hell did you do, Secret Santa? This can't be. Yep. Holy crap. These are awesome. I can't believe you got these. This is awesome. Put these down. New shoes. New Adidas. I love Adidas. Tech Response SL3s. Awesome bottom tone to it. The spikeless shoes. I only wear two types of shoes. One is Quaker and one is Adidas. These are awesome. These are exactly what I would pick out for myself. Well done. These would be amazing. Man, look at those things. Those look awesome. Can't get over the bottoms. That's going to be so freaking cool. I can't believe you got me shoes. These are amazing. Thank you, Mr. Santa, Secret Santa. Oh, I got one more thing in here. Um, I I don't know what to say. Um, Thank you, Secret Santa. Um, I, this is a picture we took. It's my boy next door and Maddie, two of my favorite people in the world, at the 21 Granddaddy. Thank you for doing this. This is an amazing gift. I'm speechless. I don't know what more to say. Thank you, whoever you are, Secret Santa. You did an awesome job. Thank you for this. I'll treasure this always, as well as all the other gifts. But this one really hits home. So thank you. Wish you, your family, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and Merry Christmas to everybody on THP. This one's going to hit a little different. Thank you again.